Tato, I see you later. Bye, my sweet boy. Alright, so I'm in the car. I'm getting ready to leave right now. I'm gonna go on a weekend trip. Well, not really a weekend trip, like a day trip per se. I'm going to be heading up towards Shishi Beach. This is supposed to be like one of the most remote, beautiful beaches that you can see in all of Washington. I've been told about this beach multiple times by a couple different people, and they've been telling me that I have to go see this beach. So I'm gonna head down there right now. It's on the Makah Indian Reservation. From what I know, it had been closed for a long time, and that people weren't really allowed to go there and on the reservation and go to the beach. But recently, or maybe not recently, within the last year, I would say, I think they've allowed people to start going onto the beach again. So I'm really excited to go. I've never been. It's about 4.5 hours away from where I'm at right now. So I got a little bit of a drive, and I'm going to be sleeping overnight there as well. I have my little car camping set up done already, and I'm going to go through that. I have just a couple little things here to make me comfortable and make it a nice little trip throughout the night. Thanks for joining me. If you're watching, stay tuned. We're gonna be going to this super cool beach, but I should be arriving there about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It should still be some good sunlight out and everything, and yeah, we should get some good views. Hope to see y'all there. Woo! Okay, I don't anybody who's been to like Washington, I don't know if you've ever heard of the Tacoma aroma. We have like this certain smell that comes around every once in a while, and it's just, God, it smells just, it's a weird smell. Like, I don't know how to describe it. It's just, but it smells like that right now, needless to say. The Tacoma aroma is hot and heavy today. Good thing we're leaving Tacoma. Oh my God, no way. Like, where do I go now? Oh my God. Alright, so that was a fail and a half. But I found a different route, so I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully I can get there. This is what I was scared of going to this beach, is like, how am I gonna get there? If it's so remote, I don't know. I had read that it is kind of a little difficult getting here, so I don't know, we'll see. I have to sleep somewhere tonight either way. Fail. I passed like 3 or 4 different kind of like routes to get here. They're all closed. Every single one's closed. Oh my gosh, I literally had I had looked up some like reviews on this place, and I had seen people had been here like not too long ago. Look at my hair. So I guess I'm just gonna go more down towards like La Push. Gosh, it really sucks. I'm really bummed. We'll find somewhere. I don't know. I'm gonna find somewhere. Let's keep it going. Legit, let's go, man. Let's try it. Look, we're right in this little peninsula. This little sliver of. It's kind of cool. Oh my god, it's super bumpy, rocky. Beautiful. I wonder if we can sleep here. I wonder if anybody would bother us. There's a car up here. Alright, so I'm kind of just, honestly, just laying down for a second because that was a long drive. There's football on today too, and the 49ers and Seahawks are playing right now. So I just want to see, it's already fourth quarter, so I just want to see the last of the game. And, gosh, I just can't believe that it's like basically a whole hour and a half out of my day that I wasn't expecting. I was expecting to be just down at the beach and just kind of walk it and hang out. But I found this cool little like peninsula spot. Hopefully I can sleep here because I don't want to have to move again. But if I do, I did see somewhere else that I was probably gonna be able to sleep with no problem. But yeah, I'm just kind of hanging out because I'm kind of tired, to be honest. So yeah, I'm gonna watch the game and watch my Niners beat the Seahawks. It's a little chilly, you know, because the wind's blowing. It's beautiful out here though. I'm sure you can just, you know, like people just walk all the way down the rocks and fish down here all the time. That seems like what most people do. It's lovely out here though, I'm not gonna lie. I'm probably just gonna stay here for the night. I don't see why not. And I was just thinking, like, in the morning time when the sun rises, it's gonna be so pretty. The only thing I worry about is I'm on like an Indian reservation, so I don't want to be like disrespectful towards anybody, you know. That's the only thing I ever worry about. Hey, everybody on reservations has dogs everywhere. It was so funny, like, as I was driving up here, you know, just driving by people's houses and stuff, they have, like, their dog, like, sitting out in front, like, as you would drive up, per se, to, like, drive up to their house. I thought it was kind of cool. Like, they're, like protecting their house. Got them train good. But yeah, I'm probably just gonna, you know, get everything all set up, get my sleeping situation all set up. The sun's going down, so it'll get dark really fast. It's almost 5 o'clock, and then the football game's gonna come on in a little bit, so I'll probably watch the football game. I ate earlier, so I'm probably not gonna really eat anything, but I have some snacks. I'll probably snack on and watch some TV and just get comfortable, and yeah. Alright, so I pretty much am just hanging out now. I got my setup kind of all done. I'm laying down right now, actually, in the back of the car. My camping setup isn't like, you know, top of the line, built all this cool stuff. I actually just have a mattress in here. It's a crib mattress. It's long enough for me to lay down, you know, so I have my mattress, my down blanket, the camping blanket. I also am laying on a heating pad because I think it's probably gonna get pretty cold. I also have a power station right here. It works great. So I'm on a heating pad. It'll literally heat me up all night and won't dye it, you know, won't drain it. I have my tablet set up right here so I can watch my shows. And then I have like a roof. I have a roof net that holds all my other miscellaneous stuff. I have all the windows covered with my window coverings so nobody can see, and I have this one opened. I have an extra camping blanket right there just in case I get cold. And then in here, my hiking boots in here, my Mr. Buddy heater's in there. I also have an electric blanket in there for when it gets like really cold. I can always pop the electric blanket into the power station and that'll keep me real warm. Also got my little temperature gauge right over here. So yeah, you can see it's 61 right now. So it's not too cold. So yeah, that's pretty much my little car camping setup. It's not anything great. I keep my cooler up there. My keys I just kind of dangle right here just in case I need quick access to them. Yeah, so nothing special. But let me tell you, it makes me happy that I can just pick up and go and do whatever, whenever. It's nice just to be alone sometimes. I've been starting to find comfort in being alone and just being on my own and having my own adventures, my own stories. Nobody with me, just me. Being my own friend. I think that's been the hardest part for me for a while. And that's why I really started doing this, is because I was emotionally and mentally struggling. And I would watch people online, Mav and Crazy Quaddy and all of them, and I would see how free they seemed to be, and it was just so amazing to me, and that's kind of how I got into it. Just watching YouTube videos. Yeah. Anyways, sorry for that rant. Alright, I'm gonna watch the football game now. The Niners won. Yeah. So I'm just hanging out, enjoying, you know, just the relaxation. I did end up moving to a different spot. I was right at the end of the football game. I was kind of I happened to look out the window and there was another car there and they had their lights kind of just shined on me for a moment, and I don't know. I kind of just got a little weirded out, and I just kind of took off. So I came to a different spot. It's right by a kind of like a different beach. I'm kind of parked right off the street actually, which is not safe either, but that's okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna sleep here for tonight. When I wake up, I want to see the sunset on the beach, so that should be nice. It's raining pretty good too. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's raining. Anyways, I'm just gonna enjoy the rain and yeah, watch some 90 Day Fiance, and I'll see y'all in the morning. Some more light outside now, but it's probably gonna be a pretty gray day, it seems like. But the lights, you know, the sunlight is starting to come out a little bit, starting to get a little bit brighter. Beautiful beach. We got to listen to the waves all night this morning. Yeah, it was a fail of a trip because I could not get to Shishi Beach, which is actually where I wanted to go. But that's okay. I mean, it happens. We went to Neah Bay and we got to see the bay on there, walk it a little bit, and check out this beautiful beach right here. This is part of the whale trail up here at like Shipwreck Point. My car all put back together. I just cleaned up a little bit from, you know, the night. Just about ready to rock and roll and get out of here and start heading back to Comers. Okay, so I got everything ready to go. I just kind of hung out for a little bit and watched the waves and the sun a little bit more and just kind of enjoyed it. But I'm already ready to go home. I got about a 3.5 hour drive, so I'm gonna get going on that, and got myself a little donut right here. Drive this beautiful drive, enjoy it. It's Sunday, I gotta go to work tomorrow, so I'm gonna get home, get my day going. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching if you did.